Or maybe I should put this. Should I put the handcrafted flowers?
Oh, yep.
Anyone want to see?
Oh, you get one in your sub box. So much for
Yep,
yourself.
you get one on your sub box. Oh my gosh, it literally covered my nails.
That's it. Done. Quickest nail ever. Put the glue on, stick them on. Perfect.
It saved you so much time for just sitting and like scripting this.
Right?
And I'm so obsessed with this.
With acrylic yourself. Probably gonna take you a long time.
I had to
And
spray this.
also watch out for that.
Yeah, can you spray it? Sorry. All right, so I'm gonna use the other one. Let's close this first. I scooped some out already. I'm gonna apply it first. That's cool though. I would trade everything for just one handcrafted flowers. Maybe just one on the, oh, not base. We need a top. So how was everyone on Saturday? Hope you all have a fabulous Saturday. We're always busy and we are so excited to see everyone if you are going to ABS Chicago or in Orlando. Would love to see and get connected with all of you. All right, so this one, so beautiful. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use this one. Look, ta-da, that's it. You don't have to do anything else. Like even your clients, oh, my nail is too short, I can't get it. Your nail short, I have some short design for you. Don't you worry. Only you say yes, I got you. Can't. That's it. I tried to get some crystal on, but no. They still can see some Aurora gel polish. But look, it's already have some cute crystals already. So you're good to go. All right, I'm happy. If I can't have everything I want, I'll be appreciated what I have. So I appreciate that little petals there. So